Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be discussing about how to make an iPhone vibrate in silent mode in iOS 18 Plus or in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So what you need to do is go to the settings here, and then you need to scroll down and go to the notification and go to the phone settings here, and then the sound settings here. Make sure the haptics are on, or it may be on a default or any of the standards you have selected. It must not be into the none section here, and then you need to go back, and then you need to go to the sound and haptics. And after going into sound and haptics, you need to go into the haptics mode here, and you what you need to do is go into always play in a silent mode. After doing so, it will automatically turn on and make the phone vibrate in silent mode. So that's how you can uh, enable the settings of making an iPhone vibrate in your silent mode. If you have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.